question in 2D. So some of the questions we did in the last class, and we will do some more questions. So we will take some example. Suppose we are having two walls like this, and we have a stick. We are having a stick like this. This stick is sliding on this surface. So this surface is smooth. This surface is smooth, and this one is sliding. So if this one is sliding with speed v, then what will be speed of this part? This part will be sliding downward. So what will be the relation between these two speeds? And the angle here is suppose theta. At any time the angle here is theta, and the lower end, suppose we call this end A and we call this end as B. So if A is sliding rightward, what will be the speed of the end B? And B will move vertical. Okay, so how to solve this kind of question? So we can relate it. See, this u, the velocity of this point is what? Downward, vertically down. So if it is vertically down, what will be its component along its length? So it will be u, and this angle is suppose phi. So we can write u cos phi. So component of u along length. This is component of u. Component of u along length. Okay, so this will be u cos phi. Similarly, v is like this. So what will be component of v along the length? So if you draw a line like this, this angle will be theta. So v is like this. So component of v along the length is v cos theta. So v cos theta is component of v along length. Okay, and these two must be equal. Why these two must be equal? Because the length of the whole rod is fixed. So we can write v cos theta must be equal to u cos phi, and phi we can write as 90 minus theta. So we can write v cos theta equal to u cos 90 minus theta, which is same as v cos theta equal to u sin theta, or you can write u as v cot theta. Okay, so in this way we can relate these two functions, these two velocities.